Hey, welcome to or welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. I am so mad at myself. Why? Because I lost the video footage of me stacking this beautiful chocolate cake with raspberry filling. I'm so sorry about that, but you gotta watch it on the part where it's already iced and ready to decorate. I'm doing this mostly all buttercream. Here I have some red buttercream with a large star tip, and I'm making a border at the bottom. A big, beautiful, fluffy border. BBB, big, beautiful border. This cake has such an amazing story behind it. But first I'm going to write some happy birthday on the top with red buttercream. First I'm going to put a single line down, and then I'm going to add a little decoration to it and make those letters really pop by piping some beads right on the top. Many of you know that my second daughter is deaf with cochlear implants, and my second son, fourth child, has autism. And both of these children have been in an early intervention program called Kids on the Move here in Utah. As chance would have it, we moved into the church ward of the founder of this program. And this cake is for her 40-year-old son who was born with Down syndrome. She wanted a playgroup for her little son, so she got together with some other mothers. Soon it became a group, then a community, and now the entire state has adopted the program, and they help many, many young children who are behind in their younger years to get caught up in language and motor skills and any other special needs that they may have. And they have been so helpful. So when this wonderful woman asked me to make this cake for her sweet son, of course I had to agree. And you know what? He loves Harry Potter. So of course I made a Harry Potter themed cake. And here I have some piping gel. I like using piping gel because that makes this icing sheet stick much better. You can get your own designs printed on an icing sheet online on Etsy. So I cut out each little design, and with piping gel I stick the first one on the top, and it has all 4 houses of the Harry Potter on there. And then we do the Gryffindor. Stick it on, smooth it out. On the opposite side of the cake, I'm going to put Slytherin. Even though all the schools are great at Hogwarts, it seems like Gryffindor and Slytherin are always at odds with each other. I'd love to know what your favorite house is. Can you leave me a comment? And there is the finished product. And I tell you what, this young man is so kind in everything he does. So I was so happy to be a part of his birthday celebration. Sorry it was so short, but thank you for watching. Bye.